Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have calligraphics fonts and script. Here is 26 bundle, no password, and you can download on Sheri graphics. Click on fonts and click on here, and then you can see and download it. For example, click here and just wait 30 seconds. This file is 1 MB. TTF, OTF for Photoshop or other vector software. You can use that in mobile phone, tablet or etc. anywhere. So for example, write my channel name, click text and caps lock on, SHERI, Sheri, SK, and you can increase size, press shift, write in small letter Sheri, SK. Okay, you can change color or you can apply renders overlay. And second language is Nila script Sheri. Wow, you see like a signature font. Here is capital. You can use in greeting cards like this, and Sheri, SK in Nirmana. Okay, these are small letter font. Delete. You can apply gradients overlay like this, and here is Sheri, SK in this font. I hope this data is useful for you, and kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.